take a look at my Apple USB-C to USB-C cable right here. As you can see, this woven cable has picked up quite a bit of dirt and discoloration over time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean an Apple USB-C cable safely, plus some important do's and don'ts so you don't damage your cable. First, disconnect the cable completely. Remove it from your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, power adapter, or any other device. Never try to clean the cable while it's connected to power. Now I'm taking a soft, clean, lint-free cloth. I'm gently wiping the entire length of the cable first. This helps remove loose dust and surface dirt. For the dirt that doesn't come off easily, I'm going to slightly dampen the cloth with water. Make sure it's only slightly damp. You don't want water dripping from the cloth. Now I'm holding the cable with one hand and gently wiping along the woven material with the other. I'm paying a little extra attention to these darker areas, but I'm not aggressively scrubbing the cable. And here's the important part, the USB-C connectors. I'm keeping moisture away from the metal connectors. Don't dip the ends in water, and don't spray any cleaning liquid directly onto the cable. Once I'm finished, I'm using a clean, dry, lint-free cloth to wipe it again. Then I'm leaving the cable completely disconnected until it's fully dry before plugging it back into a charger or device. Do and don't do unplug the cable before cleaning. Do start with a soft, lint-free cloth. Do use only a slightly damp cloth when you need to remove stubborn surface dirt. Do inspect the cable while you're cleaning it. If you notice serious fraying, exposed wiring, damaged connectors, or signs of overheating, stop using the cable. But don't put the cable in water or wash it under a faucet. Don't spray cleaner directly onto it. Don't let moisture get inside either USB-C connector. And don't use bleach, abrasive cleaners, rough brushes, or aggressively scrub the woven material just to make it look brand new. One more thing. If your white Apple cable has become slightly yellow or permanently discolored with age, cleaning may improve it, but don't expect every stain to completely disappear. It's better to keep the cable safe than damage it trying to make it perfectly white. And here's my cable after cleaning. If your Apple USB-C cable looks like mine, try these steps and let me know in the comments how much cleaner yours got. Thanks for watching Free Tech Guide, and I'll see you in the next video.